Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear aspirants, teachers, and students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are fine. Words are the most powerful drug used by mankind, says Kipling. Yes, Rudyard Kipling says that words are the most powerful drug used by mankind. अल्फाज का नशा ऐसा है कि जब हम अल्फाज सीखना शुरू करते हैं तो इसका बड़ा मजा आता है। सारे नशों से ये एक जबरदस्त पावरफुल जो है वो नशा है। इससे आपको लुत्फ मिलता है। तो आप न्यू वर्ड्स एंजॉय करें। विल प्रैक्टिस 10 वर्ड्स अ डे। एज यू नो, वी हैव स्टार्टेड दिस प्रोग्राम and we learn a lot. So start today's 10 words practice. And remember, practice makes a man perfect. Accretion. बतदरीज इजाफा, मीनिंग increase, growth, expansion, enlargement. Antonyms: decrease, reduction, loss, sentence. The island grew by accretion. Accrue, बतदरीज हासिल होना, जमा होना. Meaning come about by addition, accumulate, grow, increase. Antonyms: diminish, decrease, sentence. Interest will accrue every month. यहाँ पर इंटरेस्ट का मतलब सूद है. इंटरेस्ट विल एक्रू एवरी मंथ. एक्रूड, जमाशुदा, हासिलशुदा. मीनिंग एडिड, accumulated, earned. Antonym: lost, reduced. Sentence: he received his accrued benefits. Accumulate, जमा करना. Meaning to collect, gather, amass. Stockpile. Antonyms: spend, scatter, disperse. Sentence: she accumulated many books. Acerbic, तल्ख, काटदार. Meaning bitter, harsh, sharp. Sarcastic. Antonym: kind, gentle, pleasant. Sentence: his acerbic remarks hurt everyone. Achilles heel, कमजोर पहलू. Meaning vulnerable point, weak point, fatal, weakness. Antonym: strength, strong point. Sentence: overconfidence was his Achilles heel. Acidulous, acidulous, हल्का खट्टा. Meaning slightly sour. Tart, acidic. Antonym: sweet, mild. Sentence: the fruit has an acidulous taste. Adelaide, मफलूज, ज़हनी तौर पर मफलूज, उलझा हुआ, परेशान. अपसेट, डिस्टर्ब्ड, कंफ्यूज्ड, bewildered. Antonym: clear headed. Sentence: he looked addled after the accident. Adamant, जिद्दी, ना मानने वाला, अटल. Meaning stubborn, firm, unyielding. Antonym: flexible. Sentence: she was adamant about her decision. I hope that you will practice these words in your daily conversation. Thank you for watching and connecting with me.